If you're experiencing the font changing issue in Canva, that is, your font is often changing from something like Canva Sans, like this one here, into a font such as Arimo here, then you're most likely facing one very specific issue. And there are exactly two fixes that will solve this problem for you. Either of these fixes should solve the problem. So the first fix is to actually delete the Speechify Google Chrome extension. Wait, what the hell does the Speechify Google Chrome extension actually has to do with Canva fonts, you might be asking yourself? Well, to completely honest with you, I also don't know exactly, but what I do know is that this extension is in many cases responsible for this annoying changing fonts issue in Canva. So to delete the Speechify Google Chrome extension, in the upper right corner of the screen, look for the Speechify extension icon. In case you don't see this icon here in the Chrome bar, what you will have to do is to click here on this puzzle icon, and from there, if you really do have this extension installed, you should definitely find it here in that list. In my case it is just here, and to delete it all you need to do is to click on these three dots here and then click on remove from Chrome. And then last but not least, click here on remove to confirm. And now when you go back to your Canva project, this problem should be solved for good. Now if this fix did not solve your issue, or if you would really like to continue using the Speechify Google Chrome extension, then you should probably use fix number 2, which is to actually install the Microsoft Edge browser. Because in most cases people experiencing this problem are using Google Chrome. So if that is the case for you, go to google.com, search for Microsoft Edge and then click on the first search result, and then simply download the Microsoft Edge browser. To do that you can simply click here on download Edge. This browser is obviously available for both Mac and PCs. Once you have downloaded Microsoft Edge, just make sure to log into Canva on Microsoft Edge instead of Google Chrome and then reopen your project there, and this as well should solve your font issues in Canva. Now if these fixes were useful and indeed solved your problem, please make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. I really need your help here guys, because we have to show the algorithm that these videos are indeed valuable and help people solve annoying issues just as the font changing issue in Canva. Peace out.